Yes.
You give me.
How high are you right now? Why do you keep going in a circle? Do your ears hurt? That happens to me all the time. Do you feel like your ears are like because you're swallowing too much?
Go to sleep.
You can't go to
Take
sleep.
no way, right?
You can't go to sleep.
Okay, like last summer, Anna was the first person to get me high, and then like I didn't really feel anything, and so fucking high right now. Like
You sound different. Do your
like,
ears
I
hurt?
just think that like I'm gonna wake up any second, and then I'm gonna like stop faking it, but like my eyes are throbbing. Are you high? 'Cause
I'm not that high.
Okay.
Tell me something. Do your ears hurt?
My cheeks.
Do your ears hurt? Do your ears
Let
hurt?
me get on TV.
Do your ears hurt?
Huh?
Or do your ears hurt?
I don't. I can't feel my face. So what happened tonight?
What do you mean? Are you scared?
Scared.
Hi. It's gonna be okay. You don't like being like this? You're just scared right now because you're so fucking high. Okay, I'm gonna try to